Step into a world of culinary innovation and explore the exquisite art of plant-based dining with our immersive video, Flavorful Vegan Feasts, elevating plant-based dining with gourmet delights. Unveil the secrets of crafting extraordinary vegan dishes that not only nourish but also indulge your senses in a symphony of flavors, textures, and colors. In this captivating video, we invite you to join us on a culinary journey like no other. Embark on a voyage that transcends traditional boundaries and challenges the notion that vegan cuisine is limiting. Our aim is simple: to empower you with the skills and knowledge to create plant-based masterpieces that rival the finest gourmet offerings. From the moment you press play, you'll be transported into a world where creativity knows no bounds. We'll guide you through a carefully curated selection of recipes that showcase the versatility and potential of plant-based ingredients. Each dish is a testament to the richness of nature's offerings, transformed into culinary delights that are as visually stunning as they are delectable. Picture yourself savoring the robust flavors of a perfectly seared portobello mushroom steak, accompanied by a luscious balsamic reduction that tantalizes your taste buds. Imagine creating an awe-inspiring vegan cheese board that celebrates the art of fermentation and showcases a variety of nut-based spreads and accompaniments, all carefully arranged for an Instagram-worthy presentation. But the journey doesn't stop there. Our video takes you on an exploration of vegan grain bowls that are as nourishing as they are visually captivating. Learn to assemble vibrant combinations of ancient grains, nutrient-rich vegetables, and protein sources that make every mouthful a celebration of balanced flavors and textures. As we dive deeper, you'll discover the secrets of transforming everyday ingredients into plant-based wonders. Uncover the magic of crafting velvety cashew-based cheeses, flavor-packed legume spreads, and inventive plant-based meats that satisfy even the hardiest of appetites. Infuse your dishes with aromatic herbs and spices that elevate your culinary creations to new heights. And of course, no culinary adventure is complete without dessert. Indulge your sweet tooth with sumptuous vegan chocolate ganache tarts.